The BMW X5 nameplate is now 27 years old, and in that time, not much has changed. It has largely retained the same shape, carried over many of the same design cues, and, more or less, offered the same engine options. For the 5th generation X5, BMW has thrown almost all of that thinking out the window to create something very different from X5s of yore. Thanks to a new E-Class design, a bold interior, and 5 different powertrain options, the new X5 is as different as it's ever been. We've got all the details. We have a lot to cover here, but first, let's start at the front. The X5 comes with new XX headlights that may or may not resemble the logo of a certain social media app. Flip a switch, and they turn yellow, a nod to classic BMW M cars. If you want them off entirely, don't worry, there's a button in the cabin that shuts off the left bar. Around the side, you'll notice a lack of traditional door handles. Yes, BMW has followed in the footsteps of companies like Ford and Volvo by adding wing door handles operated by a button. This helps create a more streamlined design that, when revealed to us, was touted as an example of BMW's engineering competence. The doors can also be opened and closed via both the key fob and the BMW app on your smartphone, similar to the updated 7 Series. Toward the rear is where we see the most controversial addition, or dare we say subtraction, to the BMW X5, no split-folding tailgate. Sadly, one of the X5's signature features is now gone. BMW says this decision is based on customer feedback and a desire to create a more aerodynamic shape. Whatever the real reason is, we're sad it's gone. As far as size goes, the BMW X5 is 2.2 inches longer than the previous version, and 0.6 inches shorter. That puts it roughly on par, size-wise, with the outgoing BMW iX, a car that the new X5 is likely to replace worldwide within the coming years. The X5's weight also increases significantly. The base gasoline-powered car is roughly 300 pounds heavier than the old model, coming in at 5,213 pounds. The plug-in hybrid model weighs even more at 5,985 pounds. The pure electric 9.5, however, takes the cake as the heaviest of the bunch, weighing an astonishing 6,393 pounds, almost 1,200 pounds more than the regular internal combustion model. The X5 is the latest BMW to feature the brand's updated interior, found on all new E-Class cars. It has the same dashboard setup as the i3, but shares more in common with the recently updated 7 Series. The biggest similarity between the two is the addition of an optional 14.6-inch passenger display to complement the massive 17.9-inch center touchscreen. BMW's new vertical spoke steering wheel also makes its way to the X5. However, upgrading to an M Sport package gives you access to a more traditional M Sport steering wheel. The new X5 also retains the same panoramic iDrive system underneath the windshield, complete with an AI assistant that can help with in-car functions, as well as answer most of your non-BMW related questions. Interior materials are also a highlight of the new X5, with multiple surfaces receiving new accents. The center console, for example, can now be optioned with slate, a first for the BMW brand. Alcantara can also be optionally selected to cover both the lower portions of the dashboard, door cards, and even the wireless chargers. Glass controls for the seats are also optional. If BMW is proud of one thing about the new X5, it's that it has 5 different powertrain options. The new X5 is available with a combustion engine, a plug-in hybrid, a battery, a diesel, and even hydrogen. But don't get too excited yet, the diesel will not be making its way to the US, and the hydrogen power plant won't arrive until 2028. For US trims, BMW plans on offering a single gasoline X540 model, powered by a 3.0-liter straight-six engine making 394 horsepower and 428 pound-feet of torque. A single plug-in hybrid trim will be available in the US, the X550e, paired with the same straight-six engine mentioned earlier with a 26.5 kWh battery, making 489 horsepower. The more powerful M60e PHEV won't make its way stateside. The battery-powered X5S, or the 95, will also make its way to the US. As of now, BMW offers just one trim, the 9560. It features a new 141.0 kWh battery similar to that seen in current and future new E-Class BMWs. The battery sends power to all four wheels and makes 578 horsepower and 593 lb-ft of torque. The range for the 9560 is up to 435 miles in the US. The battery itself is an all-new archetype for the brand. The battery cells are the same seen on the recently revealed 93, however, they've been made slightly bigger to result in a 30% usability increase. This results in a denser battery, as well as reducing both physical battery size and its weight. The 2027 BMW X540 will start at $69,800. The X550e plug-in is more expensive at $77,500, and the fully electric 9560 starts nearly $10,000 more expensive than the base gasoline model, at $79,800. BMW plans to have the new X5 on dealer lots by the end of 2026.